In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master shopping list using Trello. This simple guide will show you how to organize your shopping items effectively, ensuring you never miss an essential item during your grocery runs. Let's dive right in and explore how easy it is to do this using Trello. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button on the Trello homepage. If your preference is to log in using Google, simply click on the Google icon and then select the account you wish to use. This option not only makes the process quicker, but also means one less password to remember. Once you're in, navigate to your board. If you haven't already set up a specific board for your shopping list, consider creating a new one for a more streamlined approach. When you're ready, look for the option to add a card. This will become your virtual shopping list. Click on Add a Card within your chosen board. You'll want to give your card an appropriate name. In this case, let's type in Master Shopping List. This name will help you quickly identify it whenever you need to update or review your items. To save the card, simply click elsewhere on the page or hit Enter. Next up, let's open this card you've just created by clicking on it. You'll see an option to add a checklist. Click on that to start building your list in an organized manner. A checklist on Trello lets you keep a detailed account and categorize your items, making it easier to find them later. Begin by creating a list based on categories. Common categories might include fruits, vegetables, dairy, or beverages. For this example, we'll start with fruits. Type in fruits for your first checklist item and then hit Add. Now within the fruits category, you'll need to list specific items you plan to purchase, such as apples, bananas, or oranges. Type in the name of the fruit and click Add again each time to save it to your checklist. To manage more categories, click on Checklist again and repeat the process for each new category. It's a fantastic way to keep everything neat and categorized within one card. If you have an item that you've already purchased or no longer need, you can check it off to mark it as complete. Additionally, there's a handy feature where you can hide checked items once you've purchased them. This reduces clutter and helps you focus on what you still need to buy. By organizing your master shopping list this way on Trello, you can ensure your shopping trips are efficient and your stock at home stays ready for any culinary adventure. Happy organizing, and see you next time.